If you live in Illinois, Indiana, you need to take this seriously. We have a moderate risk of severe weather today. Alright, everyone, so we can see our severe weather risk for today, everyone. So, hold on, let me just adjust this camera a bit. Okay, so you can see we got our severe weather risk for today, a moderate risk in Illinois, Indiana. We can see the enhanced risk in parts of Ohio, Illinois, Indiana, Missouri. We can see that a slight risk in Ohio, Kentucky, Indiana, Illinois, Minnesota, Iowa, and a margin risk in Ohio, Pennsylvania, Kentucky. You can see Kansas, Iowa, and Minnesota, and Wisconsin. We can see for today also, guys. Let's move on to our tornado risk for today. This is what our tornado risk looks like for today, everybody. We got a 15% tornado risk in the significant 2. This means we have EF3 plus tornadoes in this red area, potentially. Then we got a 10% tornado risk we can see in Illinois, Indiana, Ohio. Then we got a 5% tornado risk in Ohio, Indiana, Missouri. We can see Iowa, Illinois. We can see then a 2% tornado risk we can see in Ohio, Kentucky. We can see Missouri, Kansas, Minnesota. We can see also 2 on here, guys. Then we got our wind risk for today. We can see everybody. We got a 45% wind risk for Illinois, Indiana. We can see for today with the black dot lines. We can see that means we have significant winds. We can see in Illinois, Indiana. We can see then a 30% wind risk in Iowa, Missouri. We can see Ohio on here. Then a 15% wind risk in Ohio, Kentucky, Missouri, Kansas, Iowa. We see Wisconsin, Michigan. Then a 5% wind risk for Kansas. Arkansas, we can see is on there, Kentucky, Ohio, and Pennsylvania. We can see all. Alright, everyone, so we got our hail risk today. We can see we got a 30% hail risk in Missouri, Illinois, Indiana. With the black dotted lines, we got potential for significant hail. We can see also. Then we got a 15% hail risk we can see for Iowa, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio. 15%. Then we got a 5% hail risk for Ohio. We can see Kentucky, Missouri, Kansas on there. Those black dotted lines, Iowa, Minnesota, we can see also on here, and Wisconsin and Michigan. We can see also we need to take today really seriously because we have a moderate river. We get EF3 plus tornadoes in Indiana and Illinois. We can see also, so we need to take this seriously, everyone. Alright, everyone, so we got our day 2 severe weather. So you can see we have a slight risk in Kentucky, West Virginia, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, some of the New England states. We can see then a margin risk in Maine. We get a margin risk in Ohio, Pennsylvania for Thursday. We can see Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, Arkansas, Mississippi, Alabama, South Carolina, North Carolina, and Florida. We can see also on here too for Thursday, everybody. So that's our, let's see, our tornado risk for tomorrow. So, alright, this is our tornado risk we can see for tomorrow. When we get a 2% tornado risk in Louisiana, Mississippi, Georgia, Florida. You see also on here 2 for tomorrow. Then we got our wind risk for tomorrow. We can see we got a 15% wind risk for New York, some of the New England states, West Virginia, Virginia, Kentucky. You can see Tennessee on there also. Then 5% wind risk for Pennsylvania, New York, Illinois, Indiana, Missouri, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Tennessee. We can see North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Florida, and even Maine is on there too. You see. Then this is what our hail risk looks like, everybody. Tomorrow we got a 5% hail risk in Oklahoma and Texas. We can see also for tomorrow, everybody. So, okay. Alright, everyone, so we got our day 3 severe weather risk here. We can see we got a margin risk for Friday in Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and Georgia, and South Carolina. We can see, so I'm going to keep a track on this and see like what happens with this. If it says the margin risk, I will let you guys know if the risks will come in tomorrow. We're going to see what our main threat is for this margin risk tomorrow, for Friday, sorry. So, alright, everyone, so we're going to look at Saturday's severe weather probability now. This is what our severe weather probability is for 6/20. We can see we had a 15% severe weather probability for Nebraska, Kansas, Colorado. We can see in South Dakota. We can see in Iowa, and Missouri on here also too, guys. We can see for 6/20 Saturday. So I will keep updates on this to let you guys know what's going on with this. So pretty much that's it for the severe weather outlooks today. So let's get to the radar projection and talk about other things about this severe weather today. Also a dangerous severe weather. So let's get to. Alright, everyone, so we can see a radar projection today. This is Wednesday, 9 a.m. So remember yesterday, it's talking about that first wave of storms. You can see, so this is 9 this morning. We have storm. Okay, Not sorry. Sometimes it's 9 EDD time, my time, but remember it's 8 a.m. Central time. So it's 8 a.m. Central time. We can see we got some storms in Iowa. We can see already. This is our first wave of storms I was talking about earlier. Remember yesterday, if in yesterday's video and short, I was talking about the first wave of storms at 8 in the morning. You can see we got some. Looks like you can see at 8 a.m. there. Then 9 in the morning, we can see we had storms in Iowa, Illinois, Wisconsin, and rain. Minnesota, we can see also some pop-up showers, maybe in Pennsylvania, New York. Then maybe 10 in the morning, we can see our storm moving into Illinois and parts of Wisconsin. We can see Iowa, we can see also on here too, guys. You see on here, and we can have some scattered rain showers in South Carolina, North Carolina. You see on here. Then 11 a.m. we can see we got rain and storms in Illinois. We can see rain in Wisconsin. We can see rain in Michigan. We can see rain in Minnesota. We can see also on here. Then we can see noon on here. We got some storms in Illinois. We can see Michigan. We can see also on here too. In Wisconsin, we get some rain in Iowa. We can see also maybe some pop-up rain showers in Pennsylvania, New York. Some of the New England states and Maine, we can see also. Then 1 p.m. we can see our other storms are trying to form behind it. We can see around 1. We see Illinois, Indiana. It looks like we get some rain also. Then 2 p.m. comes along. We can see everyone. We looks like we get some thunderstorms in Illinois, Indiana. Then it looks like a tornado dread is starting to form behind this one. We can see at 2 p.m. with the storm in Illinois. We get some scattered rain showers in Pennsylvania, New York, New Jersey, Maryland. We can see also on here. Some of the New England states, Maine also. You can see. Then 3 p.m. we got our storm line forming in Illinois, Indiana, Missouri. We can see Minnesota, Iowa, rain in Wisconsin, rain in Michigan. We can see also on here too, guys, and even rain in Ohio. Then we can see 4 p.m. on here. We get some rain in Ohio, some storms in Illinois. We can see in even Indiana, Missouri. We can see on here. Rain in Wisconsin, Michigan. We can see also too on here, guys. And some looks like some storms in Minnesota and Iowa. We can see also. And these are where our significant storms can be in tornadoes around 5 p.m. We see in Illinois, we got storms in Indiana. We can see also in Iowa, we got some storms, rain in Michigan and Wisconsin. We can see also on here. Then we got 6 p.m. on here. We can see we got storms in Illinois. We can see Missouri, some pop-up showers in some showers in Indiana and storms. We can see also in Michigan. Then we can see 7 p.m. everyone. We got storms in Michigan. We can see some scattered rain in Michigan, some scattered rain in Ohio, Illinois, Indiana, Missouri, Kansas. We can see also on here around 7 p.m. today, everybody. Then 8 p.m. coming along, we can see we got some storms in Michigan, Indiana, Illinois. We can see some maybe scattered rain in Ohio in some spots. We can see also around 8 and 9 p.m. tonight. We can see. Then 10 p.m. we can see in Indiana we got storms. Illinois we got storms. In Michigan we can see also rain in Ohio. We can see Pennsylvania around 10. And we can see our storm line looks like it will continue overnight in Illinois. We can see a midnight 1, 2 in the morning, 4 in the morning. We can see also on here storms in Indiana, Kentucky, Ohio. We can see also on here. Then we can see by 8 a.m. it's all gone. We can see on here. So let's talk about our tornado probability and storm cap today. Alright, we can see to our storm cap around 1 p.m. today. In Illinois, we have 1,800 storm cap. Indiana, 1,500. Kansas, 4,000. Missouri, 4,000 storm cap. We can see around 1 p.m. today, everybody. We can see on here, then we got, we can see Arkansas also on here. We can see we have 2,200. Louisiana, 3,000 storm cap. We can see also on here too, guys. Kentucky, 1,100. We can see 1,300. We can see also on here too, guys. We can see Tennessee, 1,600. We can see Arkansas, 1,900. Louisiana, 3,000 storm cap. Iowa, 600. Minnesota, 1,100. We can see also. Then we can see at what time is that? 3 p.m. We got 4,500 storm count parts of Missouri, Illinois. We could even have 3,000 in some spots. 2,000 Indiana, 1,800. See also around 3 p.m. today. Kentucky, 1,300. Arkansas, 2,600. We can see also Iowa, 1,000 in some spots. We can see Minnesota, 600 and 900. We can see our storm cap starts to go down because the storm starts using it for the energy. Then this is what our significant tornado perimeter looks like for today. We can see our highest number looks like it's going to be around 3 p.m. today. We can see we can have 13 to 15. There's a high number, so if it's over 10 significant, that means really significant. Even 6 and 7 and 8, 9, 10 is significant. You see in Missouri, we can still have numbers for tornado perimeter. That means we still could have tornadoes there too. Also, you can see everyone. So let's talk. This is how much rain we're supposed to get from all the storms. Everybody, we can see at there from Wednesday 8 a.m. to Thursday 8 a.m. We can see we have 1.5 inches of rainfall in Iowa, Illinois 1.2, Michigan 1.2, Ohio. Maybe we could have maybe a quarter of an inch of rain potentially in some spots fall, or half an inch, or depends. Cincinnati, you might get close to an inch of rain. You can see Indiana, you can see 1.2 inches. Michigan, we might get over an inch, or 1.2 inches to 1.5 inches in some spots. You can see also on here for Wednesday to Thursday, we can see our 24-hour thing right here. Alright, everyone, so we can see this is our Invest 90L storm we're talking about here too. So we can see this thing bring lots of rain to Louisiana and some wind. We can see also Mississippi, we could have rain to Georgia and things too. It's going to be going to South Carolina, North Carolina, eventually and back into the Atlantic Ocean. We see so also on here too. So yeah, let's see how much rain and wind we're actually going to get from this thing, guys. So let's look at it now. We can see a tropical disturbance here. We can see it on here. Moving into Texas, we can see around we can see at 2 p.m. today we have some heavy rain in Texas, Louisiana potentially too. On here, then we can have some rain in Mississippi and places too. Not from that, but that's different. So you can see also 5 p.m. we can see we could have some rain and wind in some of these places like Texas, Louisiana today. Could cause some flooding potentially in some spots. We can see also rain in Mississippi. See also on here. So then let's just move on over here. That looks better now. So then you can see 8 p.m. we could have some rain in Louisiana. You can see from it Texas too. Some rain in Georgia, Alabama. We can see that from that, but that's just something else. Then we can see 11 p.m. tonight, 10, 11 p.m. we get some rain in Louisiana. Mississippi, we can see also some rain in Alabama and Georgia also. Then we can see also on here, guys, this is tomorrow, we can have some heavier rain in Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama. We can see also rain in Georgia, rain in Kentucky. We can see West Virginia also on here, guys, and rain in Florida too also. Then 11 a.m. we can have some heavy rain in Mississippi, Louisiana to Georgia. We can see on here in Kentucky and West Virginia, we can see some rain also. Then we can see our rain moves across, low pressure moves across. We can see the south. We can see it's in Alabama now at 8 p.m. tomorrow. We can see heavier rain. We can see fall also in Georgia, Tennessee, South Carolina, Florida. Also, we can see on here too, guys. Then we can see our tropical disturbance moves into South Carolina on Friday, bringing heavier rain. We can see also, but remember, these radar projections will change before Thursday and Friday. Just remember. So, okay, guys, so let's look how much rain will fall. Alright, everyone, so there's a span over 48 hours. You can see from Wednesday to Friday, we have 4 inches in parts of Mississippi fall, even 5 inches potentially. We can see a few inches of rain could fall potentially in Alabama too. 2.5 inches could fall in Georgia from Wednesday to Friday. We can see Florida, parts of Florida, the Panhandle could almost get 4 inches of rain. We can see also on here Louisiana, we get 0.25 inches of rain. Arkansas, 0.3. We can see Tennessee, 0.3 inches too. You can see on here South Carolina, we get a bit of rain too, maybe an inch potentially. It could fall in 2 days, Thursday to Friday. You can see Florida, 0.9. We can see some spots. We can see Louisiana, we get 2.5 inches of rain that could fall in some spots. Everybody too, we can see in Arkansas we get 0.3 inches and 0.4. You can see some spots also. So So pretty much that's going to be wrapping up this video here, guys. I hope you learned something new today, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, notification bell, like, and share. You never miss a video like this, guys. Stay safe out there and with the severe weather. And I see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.